Hey everybody, I'm Edward Munoz and I'm here at Burton & Burton. Today I want to show you how you can create amazing and simple designs with this base. Are you ready? I'm ready. The good thing about this base is it coming already with those tapes. But the first thing we need to do is just inflate the base with a hand pump. But now, we can just display any kind the air-filled balloon on top. Remember, this base you can use with any balloons that you have right now. But in this occasion, I want to show you a beautiful design with Mother's Day. That's why we're using a Mother's Day heart. Every shape is different when you're using those bases. If you're just thinking for 5 seconds, you will see that this shape just is kind of awkward or skinnier on the bottom. That's why the way you will use the tape is the way like I will show you. The good thing is the base coming with extra tapes in case you need extra tapes. But for this base, or for this shape like we're using right now, I'm using just 2 pieces of tape. Peel off and just if you see the base coming with some square already like mark, like you're supposed to use the tapes in those mark. But sometimes of the shape that are balloons, you can use those mark, or sometimes like this one here, like we're using heart, you need to use the size. Peel off. Just try to keep some part of your shape inside the base. I will hide the neck of our base here with just a piece of our tape. The good thing, like I say, the tape comes already with the base. Just a small piece. See how simple and amazing can be these bases? I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.